Then from the feed table, we bring it to the cane preparation equipment. We call them a leveler, heavy duty, and a shredder. It's just to prepare the cane for extraction of the cane, of sugar. Now, the old Mumias, we used to have a diffuser. This is the diffuser. Now, the diffuser was doing at a capacity of about 8,500 tons per day. Now, because of the challenges we are having now of cane availability, what the investor has done, he has introduced what the investor has done, he has introduced a new mill, and you can see we have put it in parallel to the diffuser. We have not removed the diffuser. The diffuser is intact, but we have just put in a mill. We have put the first mill, second mill. Now there is a space here for a zero mill. These two mills, currently we can do a maximum of 7,000 tons per day. Now when we put another zero mill here, we should be able to do now 8,000 tons per day. But however, the diffuser is still intact if we really want to go back to the diffuser. Now from here, we extract sucrose, because in the plant, we don't make sugar. We only extract sucrose from the cane. Sucrose is made in the field. So after we've extracted sucrose, it is now comes out in terms of juice because it's mixed with the water. Then the juice is taken to the heaters. We preheat it. After doing some preheating, we take it to the clarifier. The clarification, you have to clean it because it's coming with some mud. From the clarifier, we now take the juice to the evaporators. Evaporators is to evaporate much of the water that you had put in the can, so to concentrate it. Now it becomes syrup. It's no longer juice. It becomes syrup. Now from here, we take the syrup to the syrup boxes here. The syrup boxes, we take it to the pans. Now there is superheating at the pans to crystallize. From the pans, it has now started crystallizing. You take it to crystallizers. The crystallizers is now when the crystals are becoming bigger. Now from the crystallizers, we take it to the centrifugals. Centrifugals, now we separate. We separate sugar and molasses. After we've separated the sugar from molasses, the sugar crystals, we take it to the dryer. We dry it, and after we dry it, we take it to the bins. From the bins, we take it to either bagging or packaging. And then the molasses, currently we are selling outside. But before we used to take it to the ethanol plant. Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Asante.
Asante.
This is prepared in the first kata. This is primary juice and then bagasse. This is in the shada. Then clear juice, syrup, macicute, sugar. That's the whole process. Final molasses.